Hey, it's Andy with IT Supplies. Canon has been a leader in the large format aqueous print space dating all the way back to 2006 and the launch of their first 12-color image ProGraph printers. Long renowned for the image quality of their SLR cameras, Canon has continued to improve and evolve their image ProGraph printer lineup to the same quality standards over the past 2 decades. Now Canon has taken their next step forward with the launch of 3 new Pro Series 12-ink printers. Today, we'll take a deep dive into the new features of the Canon Pro 2600, Pro 4600, and Pro 6600 photo and fine art printers. At first glance, the new Pro 2600 24-inch, Pro 4600 44-inch, and Pro 6600 60-inch printers may not look very different from the Pro 2100, 4100, and 6100 printers that they're replacing. It's true that they have the same dimensions and design. From a distance, you'd have a hard time telling them apart. But if you step closer, you'll notice a number of physical changes to improve everyday usability. For one, the printer now has a translucent roll cover that has size marks so that you can easily determine which size roll is loaded on the printer. I actually love this and think every printer should have these marks. That same translucent material is now used on the ink base to give visibility into your ink cartridges. The last new improvement gives visibility into the print zone. The new Pro Series now includes an internal LED light inside the cover so that users can see their prints in progress with the cover closed. One other great usability improvement is the automatic paper remaining indicator. In the previous generation, Canon introduced the ability to automatically sense and notify the user of the remaining paper on their roll. This is great, especially for customers that are frequently changing between paper types and running longer print jobs. Canon took this a step further with the new generation by providing a paper status indicator on the home screen of the panel. It's the little things like this that add up to a better user experience. These new usability refinements are great, but we sell printers and we care mostly about how they print, and I'm sure you do too. So how has Canon advanced the new Pro Series in this latest generation to create better prints? The biggest advancement to the new X600 Pro Series is the completely new Lucia Pro 2 ink set. The colors included in the 12-ink set remain the same as past Pro Series printers: CMYK, light cyan, light magenta, gray, photo gray, red, and blue, with a chroma optimizer channel that we'll discuss in a minute. But inside of each of these ink cartridges is a brand new ink formulation that offers many new benefits. Canon has introduced a new crystal and wax component into their new Lucia 2 ink set. This wax gives the printed surface improved scratch resistance to abrasion, improving handling during printing, post-processing, displaying, and packaging. The new wax component within the ink spreads onto the printed paper, creating a more slippery surface that makes it less likely to be scratched. If you've ever had a beautiful print damaged by scuffing, then you'll appreciate this improved resistance to scratches. Another improvement that Canon has made to the ink set is specific to the black ink density. Canon boasts that the new matte black ink features increased pigment particle coverage as well as the use of new low reflectance pigments. This provides for a deeper and richer black when printing on matte fine art papers. Canon has also thought about you guys that prefer to print on gloss papers. The new Pro Series has a reformulated chroma optimizer cartridge which works as a clear coat of transparent ink over the printed surface. This enhances the black and dark areas on gloss media while giving uniformity to the glossiness of your print. This is a feature that Canon has had since the original Pro Series, and they've only improved it in the newest generation. One more upgrade to the Canon Lucia 2 ink set is the increased light fastness of the new inks. Photographers and fine artists want their prized works to last for generations. Canon's new inks use light-resistant pigments that increased color fastness with prints that can now be preserved for more than 200 years. We're almost done with our video, but I do want to highlight a few features that have carried over from the past Pro X100 series to the new X600 series. These are features that aren't offered on most competitive printers. The inks in the new Pro Series are still hot swappable. When an ink runs out, the printer will continue to print while you swap out the expended ink. This can be done because the printer has built-in sub-tanks of reserve ink. The Pro Series still has free-size borderless printing, allowing you to print edge-to-edge on all different widths of paper. The Pro Series still has a multifunction roll unit that can be used as a take-up reel or as a second roll feed system to seamlessly switch between 2 rolls of paper. This remains an option on the 24-inch and 44-inch Pro printers, but is included on the 60-inch Pro 6600 printer. Finally, the most underrated feature on the Pro Series is the built-in color calibration tool. Canon Pro printers can perform color calibration to improve color consistency over time and across printers in a fleet. This all happens automatically as the printer prints a test pattern, reads the results, and stores adjustment values. This is a great feature to align colors to a consistent standard without any time or additional color tools. These are some of our favorite features on the new Canon Pro 2600, 4600, and 6600 printers. Canon has continued to advance forward with new improvements while keeping the features that we've always loved about the Pro series. If you demand the most from photographic and fine art prints, then you'll want to make sure you take a closer look at the new Canon Pro X600 printers. As always, visit us at itsupplies.com so we can help answer questions as you evaluate your next printer purchase. Even better, come see us in our Chicagoland Demo Center and compare these new Canon printers in person. Thanks for watching this video, subscribe for more content like this, and have a great day.